we've got a highly commended award for Lettings Agency South Africa, and it goes to CHOPROP Sales and Letting.
I'm Yusuf Essa, and that's my wife Shazia Essa.
Hi.
And we're representing CHOPROP in South Africa. Tonight was actually, we won a highly commended award for Lettings Agency for South Africa. We absolutely honoured with the award, and I think it's going to take us to some great places.
CHOPROP is a real estate company. Okay, we started 6 years ago, and we've been specializing in sales and letting. I think recently we've just done, we've done wonders to our business. We've taken it sky high, and with this award, I think we're going to go further.
It's the first year that we've been nominated for the awards, but we definitely are looking forward to lots more. I don't believe it's going to be the last. We're offering a vast spectrum of services in our business, and we're definitely looking to enter into various categories and hopefully do better next year this time.
Firstly, the highly commended award for Lettings Agency. This one's for South Africa, and also a 5-star award for Best Property Consultancy for South Africa, a 5-star award for Best Property Consultancy Marketing for South Africa for their project CHOPROP Marketing, and also a highly commended award for Real Estate Agency Marketing South Africa for their project CHOPROP Real Estate Marketing, and also a 5-star award for Best Real Estate Agent South Africa. And all 5 awards, of course, go to CHOPROP SA. And all 3 awards will go to CHOPROP SA.
We won 5 awards for South Africa. We then were nominated for the Africa Awards, where we then won the 3 further awards, which was Best Property Consultancy, Best Real Estate Agent for South Africa, and Best Property Consultancy for Africa as well. So we're pleasantly surprised and we're honoured with the award.
It's a highly commended award, and it's for Real Estate Agent South Africa. And it goes to CHOPROP Holdings SA Pty Limited.
We're from CHOPROP SA Holdings, and I'm Shazia Essa Suleiman, the principal of the company.
My name is Yusuf Essa. I'm the CEO of CHOPROP SA. Our company was started off about 8.5 years ago. It started off from very humble beginnings. We're deeply grateful for the numerous awards. We've won a great award today.
We've won the highly commended Real Estate Agents of South Africa.
We've entered our company into the credit category for real estate agent. The core of our business functionality is around real estate agency, so therefore that's with the category that we entered in. We're grateful for the award, and we're deeply grateful to our management and our professional team for all their dedication and commitment in helping us achieve this award. All well and good to have us being stacked these awards and wonderful accolades, but also gives us a sense of consideration that we've now got a standard to uphold, and I think that's what we need to do.
We would just like to say and dedicate this award to all our staff at CHOPROP Holdings, all our management and sales team. You're the best.
Thankfully, this is not the first international property award that we've won. We've been nominated and awarded with quite a few international property awards, and we're deeply honored and grateful, especially with this one today, to the World Confederation of Businesses for recognizing our efforts. We find it to be very encouraging and motivating and inspiring at the same time.
In the name of God, let me start by saying Assalamu alaikum, good evening everyone. Thank you World Cup, thank you Biz Europe Awards 2023 for this amazing award and this recognition. I'd like to acknowledge many people behind this award. Firstly, let me start with all my management and staff, trade partners, franchisees, and stakeholders within our fraternity could have not done this without you. So, here's to you. This award is dedicated to my late wife, who is the co-founder of our business. We started our business in our garage from home 16 years ago, and it's become an international award-winning brand with the help of God. We're deeply humbled and grateful for that. This award is dedicated to many people who are nobodies, who want to become somebody someday. So here's to success, here's to failure. To my amazing team back home, well done. Congratulations to every one of you. God bless and thank you for this wonderful award and this amazing evening. Thank you.
Well, I think the PR that would be generated from this award will definitely benefit our brand, our company, our business on a whole, as it's a huge accomplishment, and with coverage all over the world, I believe that it'll encourage many of our clientele all over the world to trust our brand even more. So I think, yes, it's going to make a big difference, and we're looking forward to it. I think recognition is important, and we very often undermine the effects of recognizing somebody's influence that they have, in the market. And I think it's important because it makes people perform even better, makes us realize that we're doing something right, and also inspires us to continue doing something better and making a difference, in our efforts. And I think, we all have a duty to shine and a contribution to give towards society, and recognizing people in those efforts, I think, makes all the difference. And I think it's a good, and it'll encourage us to do better next time.